This is how we can set parental controls on your Android phone. Let me explain it. Let's get started. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe. So yeah, we can get into it. You can find the parental controls when you open up your settings app and obviously scroll through the main section of menus, and you need to find the digital well-being and parental controls. And you can see right there that that is the menu we need to head in so you can get the information about the usage. But one of the tools which is for parental controls is the app timers. So you can see it below that you can set up an app timer for a specific category of app or specific app to begin with, right? So you can decide that some applications like a game or a social media app are going to be limited to a certain amount of time. So you can pick the 10 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you like. And you can also decide which days of the week this is going to apply to. So that is the first step. And then when you come back to the main digital well-being section, in at the top right, when you tap the three dots and settings, you can also set a PIN code to lock these settings in place, which would mean that you basically decide that you are the only person who can change these settings. So unless somebody knows the code, then they don't really have the ability to mess with these settings. So that was the first part of the story. Then below, we also have a dedicated section which is titled Parental Controls. But when you tap on it, it moves you over into the setup page for parental controls. So you have to kind of like proceed with the steps, and you can select the teen's account or the one which you want to actually control. So you kind of have to set it up for your different accounts and kind of like connect it this way. But once you go through it, it's going to look like this, where it's going to give you the ability to limit the Play Store applications and choose those which can be downloaded, as well as websites which can be accessed and which are restricted, and so on. So you will basically be moved over into the Family Link app, and this is where all of the stuff is located. So that's how you can set it up on a deeper level. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it. In case of any other questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.